Hello, this is Anarchy, and this video is about how to use the EK24S10EB with a DC adapter. When the battery is powered, support to connect 4 strings to 24 strings of batteries. For external power supplies, 2 string to 24 string batteries are supported. This video is powered by a DC adapter. The order of battery connection and power supply is not required. I first plug in the power supply. At this time the red fault indicator is steady on because the default battery string number of the product is 24 strings. After the device is powered on to check the number of connected battery strings does not meet the setting, the fault will be reported. Next, we demonstrate how to connect the app and explain the basics of how to use the app. The left side of the screen is the screen of the app, and the right side is the screen of the equalizer, mainly observing the indicator light on the equalizer. iOS users can download the app by searching any. When you open the app and connect the device for the first time, the system will directly jump to the Bluetooth search interface. If the device cannot be detected, please check whether the Bluetooth and location functions of the mobile phone are enabled. Here we connect this equalizer, if there are. If the green indicator is steady on, it indicates that the device is powered on successfully. If the blue indicator indicates the Bluetooth connection status indicator, the blue Bluetooth indicator is steady on. Successfully connected. The status of the battery pack can be observed on the app homepage. Click on the middle model at the top to see the information of this device. Turn on the balance switch. At this time, the yellow indicator blinks, indicating that the balance is being performed. If the balance is complete, the yellow indicator is steady on. The app defaults to 24 string of batteries and determines the type of battery by detecting the voltage of. You can go to the setting interface to set the required parameters. When you click the setting for the first time, you need to enter the initial password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can change the password by setting the icon in the upper right corner. This equalizer supports a maximum equalizing current of 10 amperes, and now the equalizing current is set to 10 amperes. Special note: all parameters need to be modified by clicking the green setting button on the right to take effect. The value of the balance current is independent of the battery voltage difference, as can be seen from the ammeter. In this setting interface, you can change parameters such as the number of battery strings, battery type, battery pressure difference, etc. Next, click on the alarm interface, which can display the status of each individual unit and various temperature information of the equipment. When there is a problem, you can view the alarm information on this interface. Return to the status interface, click the setting icon in the upper right corner. You can modify the app language, device name, device password. Return. If the battery has been equalized, turn off the equalization switch, click the device list, click the close button to disconnect the device. Thanks for watching and condition of the unit. Have a nice day.